Hi everyone, my name is Kaye Ramos from Well Journal Blog and welcome to my channel where I share some Christian living tips, journaling and homemaking videos. On today's video, join me as I make some biblical affirmation cards. Because of what's going on around the world lately, I have been struggling with anxiety and worry. I know that the Bible reminds us not to be anxious, but it's truly challenging when you hear so many depressing things. This is actually a project that I've been wanting to do for quite a while, and my baby is napping, so this is the perfect time to make some biblical affirmation cards. This one is actually inspired by the video I made in 2020 about I Am Biblical Affirmations, which I will link down below. And this was also the time when I was struggling with anxiety as well. It's the height of the pandemic and I was so afraid for myself and all my loved ones. So I compiled some Bible verses to remind me of God's presence. But this time, I want something more tangible to look at or to hold on to. I already designed the cards a few days ago and I've been really wanting to do it, but it's hard to find time when you have a baby. And thank God I have the time right now. So I'm going for a minimalist and simple design, and I want something that I can display here in my office. I recently moved my office and as you can see it looks so bare. That's why I want to add something that will truly inspire me. If you want to make your own biblical affirmation cards and want to save some time, you can check out the template in my store, which I will link down below. I decided to put 3 cards in 1 US letter size paper so I can save some paper. I really wanted to use cardstock paper or something more durable like a folder, but I have no time to go outside. And also, I want to use what I have at home, so I'm settling with what I have right now. I used 10 papers for 30 affirmation cards and they are sized 4 by 6 inches. My printer is running out of ink, but I'm still happy about how they turned out. Anyway, I don't aim for perfection. Here, I'm just going to cut them. At first, I was a little slow, but when I found my groove, cutting became a lot faster. Whoops, someone just woke up. I still can't believe how time flies, and look how big she is now. It feels like it was just yesterday when I was pregnant. Look what mom is doing. Say hi. Daddy! Anyway, this is how they turned out. I I actually want to trim the corners and make them round and possibly laminate them, but your girl has no time. I still like them regardless. Originally, I was thinking of putting them in a string and hang them somewhere. But when I saw this wooden stand, which I have from an old calendar from Shutterfly, I changed my plan and I thought it would be perfect for this project. I think it works perfectly, and I'm just gonna put it here beside my computer. I could clearly see it and I could change the card anytime I want. But typically, I want to have one card each week so I can really memorize and meditate on it. I really love how this turned out, and I'm so proud of myself because I was able to make it in a short time. That's the beauty of having a limited time. You get to maximize it and you just stop overthinking things like trying to be perfect. You just do what you do and it gets the job done. What do you think about it? If you want to make it and save some time, I will link the template down below. And of course, if this video inspires you, I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe to my channel. I'm praying that you are doing well, and let's keep on praying for all brothers and sisters who are struggling in many parts of the world, not just on areas that are struggling right now, but all areas of the world. Again, this is Kaye Ramos. I appreciate you being here. See you guys on the next video. Love you with the love of Jesus. Bye.